First reading, Jeremiah chapter 15 verse 10, 16 to 21. A disaster for me, mother, that you bore me to be a man of strife and dissension for the whole country. I neither lend nor borrow, yet all of them curse me. When your words came, I devoured them. Your word was my delight and the joy of my heart, for I was called by your name, Yahweh, God Sabaoth. I never sat in the company of scoffers amusing myself. With your hands on me, I held myself aloof, since you had filled me with indignation. Why is my suffering continual, my wound incurable, refusing to be healed? Truly, for me you are a deceptive stream with uncertain waters. To which Yahweh replied, If you repent, I shall restore you to plead before me. If you distinguish between the precious and the base, you shall be as my own mouth. They will come back to you, but you must not go back to them. As far as these people are concerned, I shall make you a fortified wall of bronze. They will fight against you, but will not overcome you. Because I am with you to save you and rescue you, Yahweh declares, I shall rescue you from the clutches of the wicked and redeem you from the grasp of the violent. Responsorial Psalm, Psalms chapter 59 verse 2 to 3, 4, 10 to 11, 17, 18. Rescue me from evildoers, from men of violence save me. Look at them, lurking to ambush me. Violent men are attacking me, for no fault, no sin of mine, Yahweh, for no guilt, they come running to take up position. Wake up, stand by me and keep watch, the God who loves me faithfully is coming to meet me. God will let me feast my eyes on those who lie in wait for me. Do not annihilate them, or my people may forget. Shake them in your power, bring them low, Lord, our shield, my strength. I will make music for you, for my stronghold is God, the God who loves me faithfully. Gospel, Matthew chapter 13 verse 44 to 46. The kingdom of heaven is like treasure hidden in a field which someone has found. He hides it again, goes off in his joy, sells everything he owns and buys the field. Again, the kingdom of heaven is like a merchant looking for fine pearls. When he finds one of great value he goes and sells everything he owns and buys it.